What's going on here?
So we're testing one of those grapple trucks from Apex today. They brought us this brand new Kenworth. So yeah, I'm so excited. Look at it, brand new and beautiful. So yeah, I'm thinking about buying one of these. And my first grapple truck came from them too. And they did a great job with building first grapple truck for me. So this is.
So you're demoing this one today?
Yeah, we're testing this one today.
This thing looks brand new.
Yeah, this one, it's never used before.
Man, that is shiny. So you bought your first grapple truck, and then you traded that for the grapple saw, and now you're looking at grapple trucks again.
Yeah.
So you're testing this out.
Yeah, grapple truck is just the best way for whenever you need to. Oh shit! Whenever you need to, like pick up big logs and stuff. Chipper is good, great for branches and stuff like that. But when it comes to those big logs and stuff, nothing beats grapple truck.
Awesome.
And since we have so much removals, that's big majority of our work, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
It just makes so much sense to have grapple truck.
You've worked with these guys before?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see this truck was never used before. Everything's brand new.
Man. Only the best for Mitch.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Man, look at all those vines. Nasty.
Position the load to be on my right hand side. You see how I'm sitting on the right hand side?
Because this is in your obstructing your vision?
So I would just have the load here obviously.
Yeah.
So if I was going to drive it, I would come around and bring it so I can see better. Now I can see as well.
So you would have flipped it around and yeah, that makes sense. What's this thing look like? Whew, it's shiny in here. It's also very cold in here. It's nice. All right, backing in for setup 2. Gonna work on this ficus. What cool, man. That's a nice truck. It's nice to meet you, man.
Nice meeting you.
What was your name? Where do people find you?
Jordan. We're Apex Equipment out of West Palm Beach, Florida. You can find us on the web, apexequipment.com. Call our office, 561-842-0101. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We had a great day here with Tree Jaws. Just bringing the outriggers out. Don't want to get clamped down. Yeah, man, we had a great day. Brought a nice 2022 Kenworth T880 dump body rotovac grapple truck. Loaded those logs with ease. No?
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was pretty easy. Popped up in the cab, PTO on, boom, ready to go. Had those logs all loaded, within 30 minutes. Easy.
Yeah, Mitch will take it. Yeah.
Any truck.
Yeah, he'll take it.
Awesome, man.
No, that's awesome. Yeah, it's good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you too.
I better get up this ficus.
Yeah, thank you, Jordan, for coming, man.
Best,
that was awesome, man.